Okay, let's continue on where we left off. Okay, what were we doing? We were interfacing with this React form library, and I don't remember we tried it. Let me clean up some of the stuff that's not used. This thing and register form state. Okay, this is the initial data. I want to set the initial data too. She's a private edition, integrating an existing form. Acquired. Okay. Screen, blah blah blah. So this is called React form hook. React hook form. How to set the initial form data in this one. Default values, makes sense. Form data default values. What we need to do here then is to say default values, and that's this guy here. So then we don't need that. Then we don't need that. And okay, watch and errors. Maybe we'll need it later. I'll leave it for now. Okay. Oh, okay. So that form is okay now. I can change stuff. Alright. Now validation. Validation. How do I add a custom validation function? Validate. Validate. Alright, so it means that for the seed, I have the validate function, which I can call is valid seed. Clearly this is not defined, so we need to define it. Function is valid seed, takes a parameter which is a seed, a string, and returns a boolean. And now for now it turns true. Okay, that means that we can submit. And if I say false, then we can submit. Okay, that's the error. I need to display the error. So this is this guy here. Input below error. Error, not destination. Error at the seed. Seed message. Oh, how did I get to see the message? Where's the error? Validate. Okay, validate includes or username. Oh, I should return a string. Okay, if it returns null, we're good. And if it returns a string, we're not good. So let's return invalid seed all the time for now. Invalid seed, okay. Probably want it in red. Red means this is a div then. Yeah, this is a div. And we have class name. Red text in tailwind. Text red 500. Text red 500. What's going on? Validate string inputs. Okay, so what is validate results? Validate results. Okay. String, boolean, string, undefined. Or it's undefined if you have a problem. Or it's okay. You will see them. Okay. And so now we want to call a function. So we want to call a function in this guy here. I put it here. Well, I can add a folder. Validations. And have it inside here. Poop scan, poop mode, validation. Probably don't need this way. Scan, and then validation is valid seed. Clearly this guy doesn't exist yet, but let's put it here. Seed is a string, so put a string and return boolean. So how do we know it's a valid seed? Well, this is a very good question. I think I have a function for that. Seed, check seed. First of all, this function is wrong typing, wrong casing. It is valid seed like this, and then the leap should be like that too. And then we also want to have this guy, command, validation. Okay. Then is something in warp. Something in warp about how to check whether a key is good. Put in the keys. This is derivation. No. Maybe account. Not account. This account. Account address keys. Boop, boop, boop. Keys. Yeah. Keys looks good. Keys from seed. Right, this is the one. So if we call this guy and we have parse trace and result seed, okay. So we can call parse trace that and if this guy returns is okay, that's right. If it's not it's okay. If it's not error, then it's true. Okay, now they should compile. Oh, and to import. Okay, I lost somehow. I lost the ability to have the Rust analyzer, and I think it's because the project is tested now. To go to settings. Oh, well, you kill the app. That's pretty nasty. Okay, crashed. Where is Visual Code? Alright, Visual Code. Settings. It's a Rust setting. It's about where's the project file, link projects. And then we need a path to this cargo file. Copy path. Project root must point to a cargo. What is a cargo? Okay. Then it's saying that anyways. I can put it one manually for the moment. I need to borrow. Okay. So now, if this guy is invalid, so monkey1, then it should return error. Okay, if I remove that guy, it should go through. It doesn't go through. I didn't call it. A bit optimistic, are we? How do I call it? Invoke. with seed. Invoke. What's going on here? Invoke args undefined. Okay, I think it has to be JSON. Promise unknown. So it should be awaited. It has to be a sync. And it has to be a promise. Huh. I hope I can do this actually. I can. Alright. Yeah. Well, the error is not clear. Oh, is it? Oh, maybe it didn't work. Reload. And then press submit. And it didn't work. Destination for command run scan, missing key destination. Oh, really? That means that destination, no, register destination. What's going on? Let's see. Let's see this guy here. Oh no, let's see here. This is not what I wanted. Data form submitted. Where's form submitted? Oh, run scan. Run scan is here. I should print form submitted before. What? Where's my log? That's so interesting. Okay. Okay, this doesn't make sense to me. Did I press submit? And I got an error. Error comes from here. Oh, it's coming from here. It's definitely not this guy. It's is valid seed. Is it is valid seed? Is valid seed, yeah. Let's go. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that works. And we want to put as just a log message. Error is too high. Okay. And we also want to check the destination address. So is valid address. Is valid address. And then address. And address. Okay, we go here, omit validation, do the same thing, address, oh, okay, so the call here is what is the address. Oh, it's our Sims guys. Okay, no, gonna be this one. This is gonna loop infinitely. Is check. Okay, password. There has to be some kind of validation code for addresses. Util pay. Decode address. Decode address. And blah, blah. And then we use mainnet. Yeah, import this dude. Oh, come on. Yeah, same thing here. All right, so if we put something wrong, get nothing because I didn't hook it up. That would be here. Okay. And then we have validate is valid address. And then here let's see. Okay, it is checked because we are not trying to do anything, but there is no error message. Is valid address not found. Now that's because this guy has to be also here. Okay, so it's validated, but there's no message. Okay, so that's because just because this guy here okay, so when what does story return? Cool, greet, invoke. Oh, this is a string. Okay. Raster string is erased into JSON and sent to the front end. container is as I promised. Okay, so let's just see what they return. Const v console log v return v. Is unknown. Actually, this is supposed to be a boolean. False. True. Okay, so return v is false. Then we do invalid seed. Okay. Invalid address. Okay. Here invalid seed as well. It has to be because I'm bound to the wrong field. It's destination. Okay. So if you put invalid seed, it's gonna be put the invalid address, it's gonna be that now. Okay, so wait a minute. What is a good address? Alright, that's good. Okay, these guys are okay. So what else? We also want to have a spinner when we press submit, because now when we press submit, nothing really happens except that well, we should see something happening. Invalid string type 5 expected 32. Well, yeah, but that's the typing. Type. How do I mark a field of the form as a number? Oh, value as number. True. Okay. This one. This one. Okay, 4. Alright, so something is happening. So we cannot tell that things are working except by looking at the console, which is clearly not very good. So we're going to add the spinner. Any good React spinners? React loading. don't know. Okay, which one you recommended? Oh, that's Tailwind CSS. Okay, React spinners. How do I use React spinners? Okay, clip loader. What? Loading. Okay, I want to show the spinner over the page. Okay. Okay, so I take this guy and then I put it as somewhere here. I need a value. True, it should be false. Yeah, it should be false. It's false. Set scanning. She's scanning, and now we say scanning clip loader import whatever the size, and we need CSS for overlay. Overlay is position fixer, blah blah. Okay. Can you make overlay use Tailwind? Alright, much better fixed. Okay, so same story here. Apply. Let's see. Yeah, it's fixed. Okay. Then when you press the button, and there's this, we do set scanning, and then true. I wonder if I have to do it inside a special call. Set loading false. Yeah, don't need to. So set loading scanning true and set scanning false. Okay. Yeah, doesn't work. Oh, so it will work. container. Something is not there. Scanning and okay, I can't see the loader guy. Okay. This didn't work. Okay, let's pick it through first. Okay, here we have this animation. Okay. And let's say false, we don't have animation. My question here is, if I change a state variable and then start a long process, a long running function, does the UI get refreshed? Okay. So this is actually async. Let me block this and then okay. Oh, this guy means no wait here. It's my bad. Need a wait here. Maybe it's going to be async. Okay. Reload. Cool. Yeah. And now it's doing this stuff. Okay, so I use watch. I use what? Clip loader. And clip loader yeah, they worked. Then clip loader should be something at the end. Clip loader. Yeah, let's show a message below. Div please be patient. The scan can take hours or even days. And then class name here. Something big. What make text bigger in Tailwind? Display style. No, it's the size. Text 5 Excel. Text 5 Excel. Bit too big. Okay, 3 Excel. And I want a vertical. Why are they not vertical? Overlay. Fix, inset, big right. Opacity, flex. Oh, this is the flex guy. I need the flex direction. Flex direction in Tailwind. Flex color. Alright, please be patient. Scan can take hours or even days. And then okay. So let's say I try with what's my DB? Okay. And alright, I try with something that has this fam. Tum, 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 tum. Well. How fast? How much are we working here? 13%. Smoothie OBS. Okay, maybe the spam period was a bit optimistic. Anyway, in the meantime, you can try to run Zcashd yourself. So extended hand Zcash source Zcashd data dir Zcash main daemon. What? What are you talking about? Yeah. Zcash main tell debug log. Okay, so first we start Zcashd. Okay. Okay, it would be nice if we knew this height here, but that would be tricky. That's calling back from Rust into Java. We are okay. So this guy started not too far from the tip. Where's the tip? 27 something. Oh, here you go. Process the block. Oh, that's really fast. Okay. And now we also want to do light wallet D. Oh, that's already in use. It's already running. Oh, I already have it. So okay, so here what I can do is to change the default to be my local. Okay, finish. Okay, 170000. Okay, first chunk. 15,000 blocks. By the way, no spam filter with this stuff. It's gonna scan everything. Obviously, I'm not going to wait for the whole thing. I just want to know if it continues. Wow, it's really slow actually. We haven't crashed, are we? No. Okay, this is taking way too long. Alright, so we should do something smarter than this. Okay, what we can do is change the scanning so that it doesn't try to scan from the birth height to the end in a single call, but we break it down to smaller chunks, and we adapt the size of the chunks based on the time it takes to process them. So we can start with, for example, 100 blocks, and then estimate or see how long that takes, and we scale up or scale down in order to hit a particular refresh target. For example, every chunk should take 1 minute. Okay, so if you want to do that, what we need to do is to change the function scan to be resumable. So first, I don't know if I need all this stuff here. Blocking plate, yes, I definitely need that. I don't know if I need this one though. Okay, maybe I do. Okay. So this is initialization. Yeah. Well, every time I save, it recompiles. So that's not good for the test. But what I need is a function to initialize. Okay, and that would be doing this stuff. All right. Yeah. I don't need that stuff actually. If I just want to do the scan, okay, let's cut this into pieces. I need this stuff. Connection, create a schema, checkpoint, create account, well, all that we need. It's just a scan that I don't want to do. Alright, so I stop here. Stop here. And that should be init. And we end with OK. Then we take C, destination, all this stuff. Yeah, I just passed it all around. It doesn't really matter, we pass it multiple times. But it does make my life easier. So this is anyhow. Okay. Then the scan is just going to be okay, this stuff is not async. No need for async. No need for destination, you say? Okay. Then this guy is async. And takes the... Well, we have we take an end height. And this end height will go down here as well. No, we need a birth at the start height. Yeah, need a start height. The max chunk, max blocks. And we pass. No need for this. No need for seed. No need for destination. Okay, we just need start height, the max blocks. Okay. Seed, bye bye, bye 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 bye. And this guy, we want them here. So this guy, we move it down. We should check the balance and return the balance. Yeah, why not? But making a sweep connection is something else. So close this dude. And start another one. This is sweep. And sweep takes what? Destination for sure. Oh, sweep, make, sweep, do sweep, destination, result, error, sec, it's just okay, and then some height. Alright, connection we need, so we have to create another one. Client 2. Wait, so need a client. This need to be async. Yeah, I'll grab the client. Sec has to be recreated. And then, okay, so we don't synchronize start height. No, start height we don't need because this is going to be from the last point. But we need end height to be, yeah, we need the last db sync height. db height, get db sync, get sync height, connection, borrow, as a checkpoint, so dot height, and then our height, end height, should be the minimum of end height, which is the blockchain height, minimum of that, and db height plus max blocks. What's going on here? Minimum. Okay. Then we can return the balance, print the balance, but whatever. Then we have this to sweep. What's that here? From 3, 1 to 3. Yeah, start height is gone. Okay. This one, Zec, we need Zec. So all this stuff is so that we can do it in smaller chunks. So it's a quality of life thing, which is still important. And then we're okay. End height, we're not okay. Payment. Oh, this is the current height, so we have to give it end height. Okay. and then the TID. TID is the transparent account ID. Actually, TID is always going to be the account with the highest number, because we create the Z address first and then we create the T address. So instead of we're just going to look for it. Connection query row, select max account from accounts, max ID account, no params, and return as U32. And this is TID. Okay. Alright, so we're good now. Just one warning. Run scan inner. We don't need. Oh, we definitely need this one. What the hell? Oh yeah. This is mutable. And then we have to set the to duplicate this code. Don't need it here, or we do need it here. ZWL. Where ZEC is a mutable coindef. UL is a str. That's just a wrap. Okay. Stop doing the reload. Okay, stop this guy. ZEC and then ZWL with the borrow. One here. One here. And make sweep transactions to the if we broadcast we need it, so we need it here too. Therefore we need a string mutable. So we have this new function, do sweep, scan, one scan I already have, and we have also init scan init, scan one scan, scan do sweep. So cargo FMG. Okay. This guy is not happy. Not sure why. Here. Oh, cannot return error. Okay. Okay. I can call it as sing block body. async block for the whole thing. With okay, anyhow, error. Okay, this is just so that I can do this sweep await map error. And return that. And then make this guy string. Oh man. Still have this this crap here. Okay, Tokyo, top block in place. Dando, blah blah blah. No, so this is the part where we move, and we have an async block, and then we close with a bunch of crap. I mean, okay. Mismatch closing. Okay, I'm supposed to close with this guy, this guy, this guy, this one. Oh. Completely guessing here. Okay. Alright, so we have, let's handle block, and the whole thing here is under this stuff. So this guy doesn't need to be async anymore. And yeah, well, it worked. Is it? Okay. Well, same thing here. Okay, if I was courageous, I would make a helper function for this crap. But maybe another time. Open. Okay, so we open 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to close. This is one async block. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and it's doing it. Do sweep equal, yeah. Okay, this one is already not friendly. Yeah, we need an OK somewhere. OK. And then we can do this. Okay, and then we do init map error. Okay, so what we did is split the stuff in three. We have an init function, we have a run scan function, and then we have a sweep function. So that makes this guy, we can do it in part. Init with the data, run scan. So run scan has less stuff. Max blocks and well, I'm just gonna inject max blocks into the stem stuff so that we don't have different max blocks number. Max blocks is always going to be, well, not always, it's going to change, but start at 100. You need run scan and then do sweep. Do sweep. Okay. Alright, submit. No DB path. Okay, panicked. That is because set DB path. You can have to do it multiple times. I just set it here. Yeah, ZWL. Three times one. Yep. Unwrap. Okay. And we're doing and height. All right. Okay. We don't have end height because, well, we're not returning it. So this guy should have end height as well. 0, the moment. Height is a number, and what we want is to scan to return this number, U32. U32. And this is somewhere here in height. So by doing this, then we get this height from here. And height. And then we can set it to, we can set it on the form object. How do I do that actually? Programmatically set values on form fields in how? Okay, set value here. And then set value, and its name is and height, and value is and height. It's number. Okay, let's do again. Oh wow, there's no reactor running. Okay, let's do sweep. That means this got to be async. Where async? Okay. All right. So what happens if we do something larger? 2,700,000. What? Probably need a button for resetting everything. Okay, so it scans up to this one, and then okay, so if we loop, so the point of this guy is to show the height. So we actually should show the height. Height. And it's going to be form data. Form state dot. Probably values. Yeah? What about get value then? How to get a form field value? Get values. So get values. And then and height. Okay. And we also want to loop here. Okay, so while true if radius and height. If we don't make progress, then we break. If previous and height equal and height, then break. Otherwise, previous and height equal and height. Okay. What? No, we're too fast. I know I was right. Okay, this is actually what I was supposed to do, but there was no refresh. Okay, first scan. Yeah, it's making some progress. 100 is ridiculous. At least 1000. What are you rebuilding? Oh, this file changed. Okay. Mm-hmm. This one. Where I set the DB file name. Okay, it's not refreshing. Okay, why is that happening? Set value. Let's await. Okay, let's change this. Let's use another state variable. Height. Set height. Nothing here. Height. All 0. And set height. And define. Number. Or undefined. Yeah. Now we have a progress counter. Okay, so what we want also to do is to scale up this counter. Right, so how to time the duration between two lines. Did now. Okay. So we want before start did now, and we want end afterwards. Elapsed is end minute start. Okay. And now in what? In milliseconds. So let's say we want to refresh every 10 seconds, so 10,000, and so we take the okay, max blocks, I don't put in there. Max blocks. Max blocks. We started at 1,000, but okay, and then we put this guy inside this guy. And we scale, so it's max blocks. If it takes longer, then we have to reduce. So it's one of these two. So either that or the address. So if it's lower than if elapsed is lower than 10,000, we are multiplying by something that is greater than 1. So we're increasing max blocks. That should be good then. Max blocks set. Okay. Again, if elapse is greater than 10,000, we're dividing by something that is greater than, so this would be something that is lower than 1, and that reduces max blocks. Okay, so that should be the right formula. Okay, didn't do shit. Max blocks 1,000. What? Okay, let's console log max blocks. 1000, 1000, 1000. That's really not convincing. Why, Oh, it's delayed. Actually, I don't need a reactive variable. Let's make it a normal variable. Max blocks 1000. And max blocks equal max blocks. It's probably that. Yeah, increase a bit. What? $11,000. What's this problem? It's really long. Oh. Floating point, expect to use 32 hours, my bad. Max blocks. How do we do a ceiling? How to convert float to integers? Floor, right? Trunk. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, about 10 seconds. So every 10 seconds you have an update. 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then okay, so I use 17. This is before. Working hard. Ridiculously. Okay, well, I guess I'm just gonna leave it like that and end the stream for now. This should save me some resources. Alright, see you after a while.